Hello. In this video, we will introduce tree visualization. We write a Java FX program to display the tree graphically. This is the user interface. The tree is displayed along with the control buttons. You can insert a key and delete a key. And this is the message is displayed about the status of the operation. One challenge facing the data structures course is to motivate students. Displaying a binary tree graphically will not only help students understand the working of a binary tree, but also stimulate their interest in programming. This is the motivation for presenting this tree visualization. And I'm going to show you how this works. We're going to have this two programs. Bst view is to display the tree. Bst Animation is to add the control to control the animation. When you make changes from the user interface to the tree, behind the scene, you have the data structure of the tree, and that data structure is changed. So let's look at the Bst view now. Before we look at the Bst view, first let's look at this program. This is the one right here. This is the program. So I'm going to insert 21. Look, we're going to have 21. So insert 21. 21 is here. You can delete 23. You get this message, 23 is not in the tree. And now let's delete 24. 24 is in the tree, so it's deleted. Let's go back to the source code to see this Bst view. And this is the Bst view. We're going to define the Bst view as a pan. So this Bst view extends pan. Inside the Bst view, we have this binary search tree. And this is the constructor. You can construct a Bst view from a binary search tree. And the initial status is tree is empty. This is to display the tree. Clear everything. And now we can redisplay everything. Here is the tree dot get root. If it's not null, now we're going to display the root. Display the root and then display recursively call to display the left subtree and the right subtree. So this is the root. This is the root. Here is the root. And this is the location of the root xy. And this is the horizontal gap between the left child and right child. So here's the diagram. You can see that from this diagram, we have this is the location for the root is get width divided by 2. So here's the get width divided by 2. And V gap, that's from here, the top to the root. So that's the distance here, the V gap. And this is the horizontal gap. Horizontal gap, we're gonna put this horizontal gap is get width divided by 4. So this is the horizontal gap right now. Horizontal gap is the distance between the left child and right child. So that's horizontal gap. Now, display this. We're going to display the left subtree and then display the right subtree. If you have the left child, you have the right child, and you can do this. Display left and right subtree. And before you display left to right subtree, so you're going to add this a line. So you're going to add the line to connect the root with the left child and right child. So this is to add a line. All right, after you finish all the recursive call, you're going to display the root is a circle, and the circle, the fill in the white color, and the stroke is the black, and this is the circle, and you're going to add the text and root dot element here, display. This is 26 right here. So this is all done recursively. For this, we have the constructor right here. Constructor, you have the set status. Set status is you add a text with this message. So the message right here is the tree is empty initially. So this is the set status, is to display a message. Okay. All right, so now let's look at Bst Animation. So this is the Bst Animation. Is a Java FX program, and this is the start method. We create the tree and now create a BT view using the tree. And here we're going to have this the label and the button and the so everything here. And so this is put into this horizontal box, and then put the horizontal box to the bottom of the border pane. And then we have this, the view is put into the center of the border pane. So this is the border pane for the animation. Now look at this control, the command insert. So for the insert, we get the key from the text. It's right here, and from this, the text field, and we get this from the text field, and search it. So if it is true, we're going to display the message here. The view, that is the BT view dot set status is already in the tree. Otherwise, and we're going to now insert it and redisplay the tree and set the status to display this key is inserted in the tree. So similarly, look at the delete. And so this is everything here. Now from this example, you're going to see this is the a typical model view controller architecture. Model is the data structure behind the scene, and the view is what you see here, and the controller is here. You put the control and on the user interface. So this is the idea. It is very common in the software development. This is so-called the model view controller architecture. So you have the view and the model is the data. The data structure here is the binary search tree, and the controller is to control and the data, the view and the model. And so view gets the data from model to display it. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you on the next video.